Grab a fork and mash this up really good, nice and crumbly. And now I'm adding some vanilla frosting inside. You can just scoop that and add that right in. Mash this all together here. It should have a nice moist texture. And now just cup this in your hands, and I'm forming this shape right here and sticking in these treat sticks right through the bottom. And I'm sticking that now in the freezer. Now get this little guy and some of these. I'm adding these in. I have 2 bags. Get this on low. These are all done now. Now they should be nice and hard. This is all done. So now you can take these, and we are dunking these in. Beautiful. And now just set these back. Next, I have some yellow, and I'm also going with 2. We are ready to go. And now here we go, just dunk it in, beautiful, and just set these down. Now this is the extra candy melt. You can use that extra candy melt to decorate your eggs by just putting them in a plastic bag and snipping the end. And let these freeze one more time. And now we're almost done. Get an Easter basket and some styrofoam. You want this to be snug, that's good. Go ahead and place this inside, tuck down the sides. And now, moment of truth. These really came out so good. You can do any designs you want for this. Now just take your Easter eggs, spike them in the styrofoam, poke these in good. There we go. Be gentle and add these all over. I added a lot in here. Okay, I can't believe it, but somehow this came out even cuter than it was in my imagination. I am obsessed with this cake pop Easter basket. All this was a box cake, and you can use whatever flavor you want. I kept it all vanilla. I'm sorry, but I actually won't believe you if you tell me that you have seen a cuter Easter dessert than this. This is so cute to bring to someone's house, or if you're hosting, everyone can just take whatever Easter egg they want. Not to mention the cute little photo moment. I love it. Let me know what you think in the comments. Now here's some extra tips and tricks for all of you who would like to make this at home. This was really very easy to do. One thing I would recommend is when you have the treat sticks, if you dunk those in your candy melt before you put the cake pops in, you'll get a lot better hold. So I highly recommend trying that. I forget if I mentioned it in my video, but I got this basket from Home Goods. They have a really great selection of Easter baskets right now. And then the grass I got from the Dollar Tree. The candy melts you can find in a lot of different spots now. You can get them at Walmart, you can get it at Michael's. You can do so many different colors. You don't have to just pick 2 like I did, and it'll cut down on cost the less colors that you use. That's where the basket comes in handy, because if the basket is super colorful like this is, then the whole thing really looks super colorful. All in all, I just love the idea of bringing this to a party. I think it's just so adorable. To make this, I used items you can really get anywhere. I'm sure a lot of you even have Easter baskets at home that you can repurpose. Don't even have to buy a new one. And I did this all with just ordinary box cakes, nothing special. If you're feeling ambitious, you can make your own cake, you can make your own frosting. But otherwise, you can do it the easy way like me. This is also a really fun one to do with kids and have them decorate the eggs. Hope you all love this one. If you haven't already, please subscribe for more fun videos. Thanks so much for watching.